Hello, my name is Mohammad Amin Maher, and this is my project 2 video demonstration. So when I run my program, we have see some combo box and text box and radio button and some button here, and I can see a list box here for showing the result. First of all, the first part is about minimum stack size, and I have to select a value, for example this, and the second part is about the maximum stack size. I choose, for example, 1/2, and the third part is about the maximum spindle speed, that's per minute, and for example I select 700, and the other part we have to fill out the minimum cutting speed, for example 40. Here we have to enter the maximum cutting speed, and for example 160, and cutting speed increments, for example 10. Here we can choose the stack size increment, and after that, when I click on calculate, the result shows in the list box. Here we can see the stack size and cutting speed. Some of the value it shows too high, and when I click on export, and say here, yes, I can see the value 41, 60, and 10, and this is 40, 160, 10. When I click on other button, we have a new form that it's about the mailing speed, and we have to enter the tool diameter, for example 2, 3, 5, 3, 2. When I press the calculate, we have to see some result here, and the export and import as the same I mentioned earlier, and import, export, and that's save, and here we have a other file, and 23532, and this one. Okay, and now I wanna show my code. Here we have a structure, and here we have identify some value. The NJMUUY is about the control of for loop, yes, and here we have a subroutine about the error message. When, for example, the code is 1, show this message or stuff like that. The second one is about the maximum stock. Function is about the maximum stock, and here we have a function belongs to error finding, and for example when I the text one here is empty, or it's not numerical, show and return the code. For example, return the number to the code, and show this error. And here we have the export instruction, and for the save and save input, and import for the read the value of the file and stuff like that. Thank you so much.